Leno found a cheeky way to tell Halle Berry about her wardrobe malfunction.
I went to my hairdresser. I'm growing my hair out now, as you know, last time I was here. So I went to him and I said, give me something that's going to go with my dress.
Yeah, well, that goes with that dress.
So this is what he did.
Yeah, that goes perfectly with that dress. Actually, you're falling out of your dress.
Later on in the interview, he had to remind her again.
You want me to tell you?
I don't have to tell you. But believe me, I'm enjoying it. I just don't have to.
As long as they can't see.
I mean, no.
Let's just say Craig Ferguson was definitely not talking about yoga during this conversation.
I do sometimes.
What do you do?
I do yoga.
Oh, nice. Ooh. What kind of yoga?
Kundalini yoga.
I like the Kundalini.
Do you? Do you know what Kundalini is?
Oh, yes, I do.
Wow.
Kundalini is the one you do for a very long time, isn't it? You hold the pose in Kundalini for a very long time. You always have to go longer than you think you're going to have to go with the old Kundalini.
And you do breath of fire.
Breath of fire, yeah, I do that.
You do?
Not always with... No, never mind.
Back in the 80s, Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone had a rivalry in Hollywood. So Arnold managed to trick Sylvester into doing a terrible movie.
Hollywood knew that I was wanting to get out of just doing action movies and do comedies. So they came to me with this other movie. I read the script and it was a piece of and so I said to myself, I'm not going to do this movie. So then they went to Sly. Then Sly called me and he says, hey, have they ever talked to you about this movie? And I said, yeah. I said, I was thinking about doing it. And so when he heard that, because he was in competition, he immediately called him and says, look, whatever it takes, I do the movie. Wow. Of course, the movie went major into the toilet.
Only Craig Ferguson can get away with asking a question like this.
Do you do all that? Do you go to the dance clubs and go there with people you don't know?
I mean, I don't make that noise.
Yeah. Why not? That's what you do, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's a lot of booty shaking involved.
Are you a big dancer? Do you go to the clubs? Do you take cocaine and that kind of thing?
I think my publicist would be really angry if I answer that question.
All right.
Italian comedian Roberto Benigni was all over Don Rickles during this interview with Jay Leno.
Sit here.
Here.
Sit there. It's good to see you again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for coming. Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Now you started out in Italy as magician. As a magician?
I started, yeah.
Yes? What the hell does he want from me?
I imagine a box in my head, but I don't know what's in it. Only Jeff knows what's in the box.
Okay.
You try and guess what's in it. If you're right, he'll tell you. If you're wrong, you have to pay a forfeit.
What's that mean?
Means that something sexy happens to you.
Johnny Carson couldn't help but laugh at how witty this 105-year-old guest was.
My youngest one, I have a son that's 80, and...
Ever think of remarrying?
No.
Well, you thought it was all right
Never had a chance.
Never had a chance. Well, you thought it was all right for me to get remarried.
Oh, it is, because you're young.
Yeah, you're a remarkable old person. If there's
You
any...
never had anyone so old.
No.
Harrison Ford hates talking about money.
You can go into a dime store in this country and see, maybe a thermal mug, a lunchbox with your face on it, right? As any one of your characters. Does that, what is that?
Nothing. I don't take it personally.
Do you get any...
And then I tell him that it's me, and it's a very involved process.
Do you get any dough for that? For appearing your likeness on those mugs?
Let's not talk about money.
I look at women's asses a lot. I like...
It is a fine looking behind on Pippa.
I don't know. Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
It's not J-Lo. You know, come on.
Who's J-Lo?
I was at a Hollywood event. I was sitting in a seat, and it was like in the theater, and she had to pass me. I had to stop, and it went right by me.
Right? Like in your face.
Like I was like...
Yes.
And in my head, as it was going by, I went... Da, 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 da.
Did it knock your nose or anything?
I wish it had.
Joan Rivers roasted Graham Norton for his set design.
No, I do well with it, but I didn't make a fortune. If I made a fortune, I'd be sitting here begging you for my check. In this cheesy chair?
I guess... Oh, no, we like this.
I would ask for flowers.
As a homosexual, I'm ashamed.
Yes, you should be. As a gay man, this set sucks. As a gay man...